Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will record some video about how we can edit the item and the pricing the item and sell it. So first step, we open the application and put our password, enter, goes to the general setting, item information. From the item information we find a lot of groups. We choose the group we want to edit the item, include it, edit. For example, we can put this kind of juice, al-marai juice, then we write it in this place also to show on the invoice. Then we choose the unit piece name, for example this piece, we can make it copy and paste here. Okay, after this we double click here on the left and we will find the barcode. Then we can save it. You see, save successful. Okay, and then we close this window. After this we can go to the pricing this item which we edited. Okay, we see here item pricing. Okay, then all the item or one item we can choose if we want to pricing all the item or some item. So we will choose all the item. Okay, we will load items, and before load items we need to press the edit F2. Okay, then load the items. We find the al-marai juice here without a price, so we can edit the new price. For example, we will put 3 riyal. Then before leave this window we make sure we are save the new change. Okay, then press OK. Then we ask from this button, this house. Okay, yes. Then we go to sell this price from point of the sale. Okay, cash sales. Okay, before we enter here we have a lot of, for example, we have more than salesman. We use the salesman, select the salesman who will sell this invoice, then enter. Okay, after this we press the space and we choose information of the item. Then we write the first name of the item, we choose it here, then okay. After this, after select the item, all the item we need. For example, if we need more quantity from this item, if we also need to select another item, we can do it by the same way. Choose from the search by the item information, put only the first name from the item, then we will see it. We back again, sorry, and we will see it. Okay, we will select another item. We will see we have 2 items. Also we can change the quantity of the item. After this, after we select the item, we save the item inside the invoice and see this the window of the pay. So we can ask the customer if he would like to pay with cash or he would like to pay with a credit card. If he want to pay with the cash direct, we can make a save and the invoice automatically will print it. But if he won't pay with a credit card, all what we do, just we can copy this number and put it here and paste here. Okay, then we will see this amount. Okay, after this, after the but we make sure the this will be 0, and this after this we can save and see the invoice will print it automatically. As we see here, we have this barcode. Also, we have the item which we selected. Also, we have the tax amount and the total and the way the customer which pay on it.